Hello. My topic today is about placket. This one. Covered. The bottom is covered. Now there are three options making this placket. First option is like this one. But the stitches is showing, and the other one is without. The stitching is invisible. You cannot see. For this placket, here, this is from this line, you add four and 1/4. 4 and 1/4. Like this one. 4 and 1/4. Then fold it. This one. And another one. Then you can make a top stitch here. Make a top stitch here. And after that, so like this. Now the top stitch showing here. Okay. So this will become like this. Button is here. And it is covered. This is the first option, like this one. The second one, I'll show you from here. You will check 4 and 1/4 from your fold line here. 4 and 1/4. This is the finish. Okay. From here, from this here, add 4 and 1/4. Then after adding 4 and 1/4 here, you fold 1 and 5/8 here. 1 and 5/8 fold. So 1 and 5/8. Then fold again with, this time is 2 and 5/8. Make it 2 and 5/8. Our placket here is 1 and 3/8 finished. And here is 1 and 1/4. From here, 1 and 1/4. Then we have to make a top stitch here. Top stitch. Now we're going to make a top stitch here, sewing. Then after sewing, fold it like this. Here, 4 1/4. Okay. Now here you will not see the top stitch. No top stitch here. No showing. Top stitch. There's no top stitch here. But this kind of pattern, we are going to use this when the fabric is reversible. There is no right side. There is no wrong side. The same and right, or same back and top and bottom of the fabric. Okay. So for other one, another option, if there is a right, if the fabric have right side and wrong side, you will cut here from fold line. You will cut 1 5/8 here, 1 5/8. Remember, this fabric is supposed to have a right side and wrong side. So after cutting this, you will need an extension. Our placket here is 1 1/8 the bottom, 1 3/8, 1 1/4 at the bottom, 1 3/8 at the top. Here is the 3 3/8, 3 3/4. At 1/2 allowance. Then after cutting, we will just top stitch here. So it here. Sewing. Join this one. Okay. Okay. After joining, open this one. So this will become look like this one. Press here, press, make it flat. And then this is the separate placket, because this fabric has a right side. So you need to hold it here. Here. And this one is already open. So you have to hold it here. And top stitch. Here 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4. Here 1 and 3/8. So you will have top stitch here. Seam. Suppose it's already top stitch. Open this one. Okay. Here there is no thread outside. You can see the thread, and here is the bottom. And this is covered. This one is 1 and 3/8, and this one is 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4, 1 and 3/8. So because you should have a 1/4, 1/8 allowance overlap. Okay. That's all.